Did you miss us?
We missed you.
Yeah, we missed you, of course.
So much.
It's been a whole week and a half. We were busy getting our education on.
We're smarter now.
We are smarter. Now we can cut, we can style, and we can balayage like pros. So we're
professionals.
We're official professionals.
Mm-hmm.
So you're welcome for that. We are gonna be thebomb.com. And yeah, we just want to sincerely apologize.
That's why we weren't making videos.
Yeah.
We've been busy.
But now we're good. We were busy getting good. Yeah. Okay. So today we are gonna make a video for you. Stay tuned to see on what.
Why can't I ever do my hair like cut in?
Funny you should ask, Sarah. I can show you how if you want me.
You can?
I can.
Oh my goodness, that would be great.
And then you can do your curls at home by yourselves. Trick number 1. Always start with a heat protector. So you will spray your hair everywhere. Don't eat it. Now that your heat protector is in, what do you think you should do?
We should section.
Yes, always be smart about it. Section the hair. All right, sections are done. What I like to do is I take 4 sections all together, and when I do a curl, you don't want to take a section bigger than your barrel. We laugh because our barrel is funny looking when you look at it on the camera, okay? Like, just, you know, this is a 1 1/4. So when you take your section, don't take it bigger than 1 1/4 inches. So this could be a section. I personally, I don't know about you, but I personally like whatever's framing the face or whatever's at like the edge, I like to curl back because you want the curl away from your face. You don't want to curl towards your face, right? You want to brighten up your face. So do you want to show them the first curl?
Yes.
All right.
So I usually like take, once we have that section, I'll split it in 2. Because I don't have long arms, they're short, and I can't reach back there. So I would take, you know, approximately my 1 1/4 section. Now, for me, I feel like the way to remember to curl it away is to keep your little clamper towards the front. And that way you know you're going to go back.
Also, guys, when you start your curl, you don't want to start your curl down here. You always want to start your curl in the middle or a little up high. Because then you'll get the wave or the curl where you want it and not just at the ends.
And now when you do this, you want to kind of do the motion all in one, because as soon as you shut that, you're going to create a line. Don't know if you can tie it and leave it long enough, but you want to kind of start twisting it as you clamp it. And I use both my hands. I find that really helps.
Yeah.
And I mean, I leave the ends out for mine just because it doesn't create that ringlet.
Yeah, if you leave the ends out, you'll get that messy, beachy wave look that everybody wants right now. And you don't have to touch them right away, guys. You can just leave them, take a little bit of hairspray, just spray that curl, let it be, okay? And then you move on to your next curl, which would be this one. But she's just gonna show you the other side for now and how to do the other side.
Oh, you're so smart.
Yeah.
So again, I split these sections in 2. Short arms, and I actually have a really tight blazer on, so it's not happening today. So this one, I usually hold, let me think about it.
Upside down.
Ying! Yeah, you could do upside down.
I always
Do you? No, I can't. I hold it thumb, finger, and then I'll, now again, cutting's going to show you her way because it's hard to, everyone has their own way.
No, see, I lied.
See,
I would do upside down this side.
you're complicated.
And then I would do this here.
And then you just can feel it, see it's hot, make sure it's not melting off, you know.
Yeah, you can feel it, you can touch it. If it's too hot to touch, then it's probably just too hot in general. And you spritz, ta-ta, and you let it be.
Let it cool. And cutting, you can show them your sign, yeah.
Oh, you wanna, okay.
Cutting's good.
So-
Her length.
I'm not gonna section my hair because I'm just gonna show you how to curl. See, this side I would take my section, then I go like this. Same concept, turn it, and you can touch it, then you let go and you have your curl. You can't really see because I have really short hair. Anyway, regardless, at the end of it all, it looks good. But that's how I hold it. Maybe not a beginner's way to
Kind of close to the face.
Yeah, it's kind of close to the face. So stick with down here for now. Trust me, you'll get it. You will get it. All right, so now that we are gonna pretend that the full first section is done, you would just unclip the other one. Let that go, and same concept. You just curl away from the face. But like always make sure that little buddy there, I don't know, we can call him Tim.
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 Tim the Tip. Tippy Tim.
Why can't we just be normal?
But I find that's good when we're not normal.
Okay. We can't call him Tim the
Tippy
Tip.
Tim.
Tippy Tim.
Tippy Tim.
Okay, yeah, we're just gonna call him Tim. Tippy Tim.
Tippy Tim.
Tip. I'm sorry guys, it's been a long day. Oh my god. It's been a long week, really.
Getting sick.
It's like a never ending week.
Let's just for a minute talk about. Look at that.
You're nice.
I'm tired.
And your liner's tired too because it's all over the place. It's okay, you look
contouring my eye.
beautiful.
Looks like a little bit of shadow.
There
No
you
big
go,
deal.
you shadowed your eye.
Okay, yeah, what else? So,
Moving on to curls.
the hair
Yeah,
color.
same concept. You would separate your section in two. Remember, because she has small arms. Okay.
T-Rex.
Curl this side backwards.
All
Other
away,
side
away, away,
backwards.
away, away,
If
away.
you know her, think about Farrah Fawcett. Out. Okay?
Away. Like, away.
Away from the face.
Away.
Away from the face. So, when that section's done, doop, moving on to the next one. Now that we're at the top, you always want to part your hair exactly where you would have your hair part. Obviously,
You
right?
part it.
Yeah, the way you part it is where you want to part. Because you want to focus on, especially the front here. All right. Do it.
Oh.
I mean,
I thought you were
because
gonna say
if you
something
were to
else.
part in the middle, curl this back, curl that back, then once you get your natural part, it would just, it wouldn't go, guys. It just wouldn't go.
We can
with a little bit of dry texture spray. Just put a little bit everywhere. And then you want to mess it up. You can just mess it up with your fingers because you don't want to really comb out the curl. You want to keep that movement.
But let it cool first, though.
Yeah, always let it cool, sorry. See? And then if you find your ends are a little dry, you can put some Mending Infusion. One generous pump. Go like this. And you literally just focus on the ends with this. And you want to pack it on. So that guy's going to take care of all your split ends. So you're going to look like you have the healthiest hair on the block. And voila, that is how you do curls on yourself. Well guys, that's it for the curl tutorial. Not gonna lie, it was a little sloppy on our part, but it's our first one, right?
Yeah.
Well, technically our second one, but the first one was too loud, so it didn't really work out. I hope you enjoyed. We'll make more if you want to.
If you have any questions, then you can comment in the comments.
Or you can slide a message in the DMs.
Slip it in the DMs.
So,
like, subscribe.
Yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe.
We will get better.
Yeah, we'll get better as time go, promise. It's okay, I flip in.
Here we go.
So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, tell us what you want to see, tell us if we suck or if you like it, if you want more, if you don't. Keep us posted, guys. Thanks for watching.
Bye.